Hello students, welcome to our channel Code Program. In this video, we are going to see what is recursion and how we need to use recursion, in which cases we are going to use the recursion and with a sample program. Let's go into the Before going into the video, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this. Let's go into the video. So students, our topic is about recursion in C. So first we are going to see what is by recursion. Say a process by which a function calls itself repeatedly is called recursion. Means students, if a function, if a function calls itself, it is called recursion. So it is of two types, either directly or cylindrical or chain method. So what is meant by either directly method means so f is a function, f is a named function, and the f function calls itself means f is a function and it calls itself. So it is called direct method. So coming to cyclical in a chain method. So here there are some variable of some functions: f function, g function, h function, and h function. So the f function calls the g function, whereas g function calls the h function, and the h function calls the f function. So this is the process mean by recursion. So recursion means a process by which a function calls itself repeatedly is called a recursion. So now let's discuss what is a sample program of recursion. So students, this is basis and recursion. So in this we are going to see the rules and conditions to where we need to apply the recursion. So for a problem to be written in recursive form, two conditions are to be satisfied. Let's discuss about that two conditions now. So students, the first condition is it should be possible to express the problem in the recursive form. So how the problem should be there means it should call the same function. So it should be like that. So the second condition is the problem statement must contain includes a stopping condition. Means it should be stopped somewhere. Means it should not repeat continually. So if you see here, fact n equals to 1 equals to n into fact n minus 1. So if you see here, n equals to 0 and n less than equals to 0. So n equals to 0 is the stopping criteria and n less than 0 is a condition n greater than 0. So this is called as the recursive form. So students, these are the examples we are going to discuss in this video. So there are some examples such as factorial, GCD, Fibonacci series. So now we will discuss a program on factorial in using recursive code. So let's see. So first add some data. So this is factorial using recursion. First, we need to the header file section. We use only h1.h only header file. So now we need to write the recursive code from here. So this is the place for recursive code. Okay, students. Now we are going to write the recursive stuff. So what we had discussed now before means there should be a stopping criteria and recursive form. So same we are going to now let's see that. So coming to the program. So first we need to write the if you should declare the variables such as int. We are going to use the factorial as a variable. In factorial as a function. So we need to denote it with a variable. So let's open the brace and write the condition with using if condition. So if n equal to 0 and we need to use logical and. Okay students, we here particularly why we should use logical and because if two conditions get correct then itself we need to use this, then the code will be executed. So n equal to 1, so brace is open, let's write the condition. So we have written with itself int, so we need to write the return value, return n, we need to return n value. So let's write else condition 2, else condition, the return n, into factorial n minus 1 students. Okay, students, if the else condition is completed and this block is going to end, students. So let's write the main section, void main, brackets open, curly brackets. So I need the factorial for the number. So I take something number such as 5. So let's assign this whole function to a single variable such as fact. Okay, equals to factorial and students, factorial of n, and let's print this factorial. Students. So let's run this, students. Okay, students, if we run the code, so this is our output, students. So students, thank you for watching this video. If you still not subscribed or liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Let's come with another new topic. Thank you, students.